How to add Reels to Facebook Reels. In this video, I'll show you guys a step-by-step process on how you can upload a Reel on Facebook on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is obviously go to facebook.com on your browser, or if you have the application, you can directly open it up. Now, once you are here, what most people do is if they don't know how to upload Reel, they try to go to what's on your mind and try to find the Reels here. You cannot actually upload Reels from here. You can just add photos and videos. But if you want to add a video that's particularly made as a Reel, then you first have to find the video section at the left side of your screen. Click on it. And once you click on the video section, all you have to do now is go to the Reels section. Just click on this. And once you get to the Reels section, you can scroll through Reels from here. And all you have to do now is simply go ahead and click on this button right here, Create Reel. And once you click on it, you're going to have an option to upload a video here. Obviously, you need to have it on your PC. So I'm just going to click on Add Video. Then I'm going to go to my Pictures folder and add a reel here. Click on Open. Now it will show you the preview of the reel right here. And once you have the video, just click on Next. If you want, you can trim the video. I'm going to leave it as it is. And you can add a description to your reel. So I'm going to add something like donuts because the F1 car is doing the donuts. So once you add the description, you can add, you can choose your audience. You most probably want to leave it in public so that you get most amount of reach. Now just click on publish and your reel should be uploaded to your profile. Just wait for a bit. And once that is done, your reel should be uploaded on your Facebook profile. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.